credit purchase transaction account invoice. In accounting, a credit purchase refers to transaction where a company acquires goods or services on credit, meaning it receives the items immediately but agrees to make payment on future date. Under credit purchase, liabilities of company increases in the form of accounts payable. Record following credit purchase transaction in the books of Rainbow Trade House India Private Limited. Transaction details: company made purchase of material from C-Tech Tool India Private Limited for rupees 1,25,000 on 10 days credit with bill number CTT 015202324 dated on 12th of April 2023. Second transaction: an invoice for annual maintenance contract received from Tally Partner Private Limited for rupees 15,500 on 7 days credit with bill number PP 0122324 dated on 20th April 2023. In first transaction, materials are purchased, but inventory details are not available. Hence, we will record this entry using purchase account ledger. Second entry is an expense purchased, that is annual maintenance contract on 7 days credit from Tally Partner Private Limited. Let's record given two transactions in Tally Prime on credit days. To access purchase voucher in Tally Prime, we should navigate to vouchers option under transactions from gateway of Tally. We are on purchase voucher creation page, hence F9 purchase button on button panel is inactive. First transaction, we should record under accounting invoice format, hence we need to change mode. Press Ctrl H, change mode. Select option accounting invoice. Enter. Press F2 to change date. Date 12th of April 2023. Supplier invoice number as CTT 015202324. Enter. Under party account name, as it is a credit purchase transaction, hence we need to select party name C-Tech Tool India Private Limited. Ledger is not created. We can use create option under list of ledger accounts to create accounting ledger from transaction level. Party name C-Tech Tool India Private Limited. To be grouped under sundry creditors. Enter. Maintain balances bill by bill. Yes. Other information default. Enter to accept. Receipt details. Receipt details information is not available. Accept as default. Under party details, we need to update details of the supplier, as we have already created a ledger for C-Tech Tool India Private Limited. Hence, under party details, name of the supplier is auto-populated along with the details entered in party master. Here, we can also access F12 configure option to configure information as provide separate buyer and consignee details, provide mailing name, provide PIN code. Enter. Enter. Under particulars, as we made purchase of material, inventory details are not available, hence we will create a ledger as purchase account. Select option create under list of ledger accounts. We can name it as purchase account or material purchase account. To be grouped under purchase accounts. Enter. Type of ledger not applicable. Enter to accept. Amount 1,25,000 rupees. Enter. Here, under bill-wise details, we need to select option New Reference as this is a fresh invoice. Hence, option New Reference to be selected. Bill number, credit days 10 days. Enter. Here we can see invoice will be due on 22nd April 2023. Enter. Enter. Narration. Being material purchased on credit. Enter to accept. So in this way, we can record purchase of material transaction under accounting invoice format using purchase voucher in Tally Prime. Credit purchase transaction voucher format. Next transaction we should record under voucher format. Press Ctrl H to change mode. Select option as voucher format. Press F2 to change date. Date 20th of April 2023. Supplier invoice number TP 0122324 dated on 20th April 2023. Credit, that is name of the supplier. Name of the supplier is not available in books of accounts. Hence, we will select option Create under list of ledger accounts. Ledger name Tally Partner Private Limited. Enter. To be grouped under sundry creditors. Enter. Maintain balances bill by bill. Yes. Rest of the information like address details, state code, country code, PIN code and other information. We will skip this information as of now. Enter to accept. Receipt details not available. Accept as default. Enter. Under party details, details of the supplier will be auto-populated based on information available under Party Master. As we have not updated address details and PIN code, hence it is blank. Accept as default. Amount 15,500. Enter. Under bill-wise details for Tally Partner Private Limited, as it is a fresh invoice, hence type of reference will be selected as New Reference. Enter. Bill number. Due days, that is 7 credit days. Enter. Bill is due on 27th of April 2023. Enter. Debit as annual maintenance contract. Expenses, we will create expense ledger by selecting option Create under list of ledger accounts. Expense ledger as annual maintenance expenses. To be grouped under indirect expenses. Enter. Other information as default. Enter to accept. Enter. Narration. Being expense invoice recorded on credit. enter and accept. This way, in Tally Prime, we can record credit purchase voucher under accounting invoice format as well as under voucher format.